A 15% solution of alcohol is to be mixed with a 40% solution to make 50 liters of a final mixture that is 30% alcohol. How much of each of the original solutions should be used? Let's first define variables for our unknowns. We'll let X be the amount in liters of the 15% solution. We'll then let Y equal the amount in liters of the 40% solution. Now we'll use the table to organize the data that we have. We have a table with the liters of solution, percent as a decimal, and liters of pure alcohol in that solution. We've defined X to be the liters of solution of 15% alcohol. So our first row has X liters of solution. The percent of alcohol as a decimal is 0.15. And the liters of pure alcohol in that solution will be the percent of alcohol times the amount. So 0.15 times X. Next, we'll have Y liters of 40% solution. So we have Y liters of solution. As a decimal, our percent is 0.40, and the liters of pure alcohol in that solution is 0.40 Y. We also have our final mixture, which has 50 liters, and it needs to be 30% alcohol. So as a decimal, the percent is 0.30, and the liters of pure alcohol is 50 times 0.30, which is equal to 15. Now that we have the information, we can obtain a system of equations with this information. Firstly, we know that we're mixing X liters plus Y liters, and that the final mixture will be 50 liters. Therefore, we know that X plus Y equals 50. Secondly, we know that the liters of pure alcohol that we are adding will sum to the total liters of pure alcohol in the final solution. So we know that 0.15X plus 0.40Y is equal to 15. Let's rewrite each of our equations to help us to solve this system. First, let's solve the first equation for X so that we can use substitution. When we do that, we have X is equal to 50 minus Y. Second, let's eliminate the decimals in the second equation. To do that, we multiply both sides of the equation by 100, and we get the equation 15X plus 40Y is equal to 1500. Now we can use substitution. We'll substitute 50 minus Y in for X in the second equation. We have 15 times 50 minus Y plus 40Y is equal to 1500. Using the distributive property on the left side, we have 750 minus 15Y plus 40Y is equal to 1500. Combining like terms and subtracting 750 from both sides of the equation, we have 25Y is equal to 750. And dividing both sides of the equation by 25, we get Y equals 30. Now we can substitute 30 for Y into our equation that we solved for X. We have X equals 50 minus 30, which gives us X equals 20. We can check our solutions of X equals 20 and Y equals 30 into both of our original equations, and we'll find that a true statement does result and our solution checks. This means that to create this mixture, we'll need 20 liters of 15% solution, and we'll need 30 liters of 40% solution.